Hi guys!
Wala, wag mo magkano.
Ito naman, live ba yan? Hindi ba yan live? We are from the church. So, we want to do exercise. Now again, I'm coming Duba. But praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. So we'll walk only from the church to our home. And hey Marilo, say hi.
Hi.
Ayan, nilalamig ko. Mahihain. Mahihain yung kasama ko. Ano na ba to? Ay, hindi ba man? O, traffic, ano pa? Tawiran pa ng signal. Yan, sumihiyain.